Hello, I'm JorgeFuentes. This is my Project2. So this is my code for the web API. This is for the Swagger and all the data. Well, let's begin with the models. We got province here and city, as well as the metadata for each of them. Got the DTOs as well, the data transfer object. We have the that really simple DB contacts that is just creating the DB sets and ensuring the restrict on delete if someone's trying to delete a province with cities, but in the client we can really make crew operation with provinces, so it's not really necessary here. Then we have the initializer where I just put a bunch of seed data. I use AI to help me create the seed data for cities, and it's really simple. Got the ensure delete for testing purposes. This is not necessary. I'm sorry, I just had it because I copy paste the other one. And this is to migrate the database. Yeah, so it's a range of provinces and a range of cities, and that's all the initializer or the seed data that I have for my project. Here is the migration. I didn't use any extra migration for this. The program CS with the JSON condition, the default inner condition of the JSON configuration, the JSON options. Here's the connection string that is in app settings JSON. It is here. And that's it for this code. Well, I'm sorry, I have the controllers here. Of course, using the data transfer objects. Here's the get cities that is gonna get all the cities, and the province with its name and code. This is the get city by ID, the same as the one above. This is the get city by province ID, where you can see it's filtering by the province ID. And this is the put or the update. And here is the delete. Also for province controller, I just have the basics that comes with the controller when you create it, except that I made them for the data transfer object instead of the normal models. You got the get provinces, the get province by ID, the put province, the post, and the delete. And here is the Swagger working. I'm gonna demonstrate a few of them. Here you can see all the cities. Here you can see a city by ID. We can delete a city. Let's delete the number 5. Success. And when we come here, we can see there's no number 5 anymore. Then we have the get city by province, the 5th province, and here Newfoundland, Labrador. We got all the cities that are there, fictional cities, of course. And the same with provinces. Here. And this is it for the Swagger. Let's check the client. So we can start by the models. That is the same as the web API. City, province, name, code, and name and province. We got the GIFs in the utilities. I can keep using the name GIFs because of get used to it. And the API exception for the exception that is gonna throw when we make crew operations. And we got the repositories. Here's the interface city repository. Got get cities here, the list, get city by ID, get the city by province, add city, update city, and delete city. Same with province. Well, I didn't add the crew operation for province because I won't make them in the client, the app, so I didn't add them. I have the repository for province with the HTTP client, I'm sorry, JSON. It's requesting type JSON, and yeah, here's the get provinces and get province by ID. Then I got the city repository. That is where I add the crew operations. Got get cities here. That it's just showing all the cities. Get city by ID. Although we don't have that filter. And get city by province. Like we have that filter. It's really important. Add city, update city, and delete city. So we pass to the views, to the shambles. We got the main page here. It's a really simple layout. Just title, city by province, the drop-down list with all the provinces, and the list of cities. It's really simple. Got the data here. It's calling the models, and we're using binding, and it's displaying the name of the city and the province code. So yeah, it's basically really simple, really similar to the Project one. Using the title here, got the content panel here defining the rows, the label of the combo bots, the drop down list that is here, and the list of cities. We got the buttons in the bottom to reset and to add a new city. We also have the city details page that it's really simple too. The data, again, calling models, although we just bind it, but with the view, just in case. And here calls the name of the city. I got the label for the name, the text bots, and again a combo bots for the province, so you can select them, and the buttons to save, cancel, or delete in case we are in the select option. We can see the code behind right here with the repositories. Here showing cities and filling the drop down lists. Here showing the ring, the charging kind of thing ring. All the cities. This is for displaying all the cities. Basically, it's checking that. It's checking if province ID has a value, and if it does, you get the city by the province. If it doesn't, just get all the cities, and it's and it's adding the city list, the cities, to the list that I have in the view. And the catch for the exceptions in the GIFs and yeah, the ring. Here is the drop down links. I'm sorry, the drop down list to fill it. The singular. I'm sorry. The provinces again is we got a default value of all provinces, and it's adding it to the combo bot. And again the catch with all the exceptions that is in the JIPs. Here we got the province selection change, that is just telling to show the cities with the ID that we selected of the province. If I didn't mention this, the cities, this show cities method requires a parameter of the province ID. If it's nullable, but yeah, it's there. Then we have the select click, that it's gonna navigate to the city detail page, and we have the buttons, the add button that is also gonna navigate for the city detail page, but it's gonna show the add version, and the refresh that is just gonna reset everything in the page. So let's see it working. I got it right here. We can see all the provinces, all the cities, because we got all the provinces here. Let's select Alberta, and we got these three that are in Alberta, as we can see. You can click all the provinces again, and it will show them all. We can click refresh, and it will show them all. We can click one of them. We can modify them. Modify the name and the province. Well, it's already on Ontario, but I'm gonna change it just to demonstrate. Save, and I think I put it in Quebec. It's here. I can change it again. It's here in Ontario, and I can just cancel, and it won't be changed. Then I can delete one city, and it's not gonna show anymore. We can filter by Ontario, and it's not here. And then we can add a city, so we just have to write the name and select the province, click save, and our new city is here. We can also cancel here, and nothing will be added. And that's everything for my project 2. Thank you very much, and hope you like it.